I'm John O'Brien, founder and CEO of HealthCraft products. And you know, there's so much going on in the world lately that I thought it was important to take a moment just to pause and send a quick message to our valued business partners. And that message is, oh yeah, we are Canadian. And you know, as a Canadian company, I thought it'd be appropriate to show you some Canadian hospitality and take you on a little tour of our home and introduce you to some of the team. Welcome to HealthCraft products. You know, you may know HealthCraft for our Super Pole, which is a phenomenal product for helping people with preventing falls, helping with transfers, mobility in bed, bathroom safety. We make it here, we've been making it here for many years, but there's so much more that happens under this roof. Welcome to the offices at HealthCraft here in Ottawa, and say hi to the team here. Okay, now we get to go under the big roof of HealthCraft and see where all the fun happens. And you see here all of the products that are associated with HealthCraft here and where all the production happens. Let's go meet some of the team here. Come on back. So this is our assembly area right here. And here's where we actually produce the raw parts that go into making our products here. We're kind of standing in the middle of the shop area here at HealthCraft, and there's a flow here that occurs where we get raw materials in from the back area, and that flows through our CNC machines that produce some of the small components that are used to make our products. We also do tube bending here, sheet metal bending, and subsequently these parts make it over into our welding area. And in our welding area, they're held in precision fixtures that produce the weldments that are sent over for painting. And we have a great team of welders here. And you see Tim here is welding those parts together. Beautifully done. And then these parts subsequently move across our shop floor where we've invested in our own powder coating painting line. And here we're set up for washing those welded parts, running them through the wash line that we've built, drying them off, applying powder, and then putting them into our cure oven. And then this is a very hard powder coat surface that we put on our parts to protect them and made them look beautiful for many years to come. So thank you for taking the tour with us here today. And thank you for all the work you do, keeping fellow Canadians safer in their homes, and for including HealthCraft in your journey. From our team to yours.